Today, we're getting ready to evacuate the house here.
Hurricane George
Is coming. Supposed to hit Venice at 2 a.m. on Saturday. Right now it's about 12:15, 12:30 in the afternoon. On Friday, yes. As you can see, we have tried to hurricane-proof the house here. The windows are taped. George has sandbags in the front door. We've gotten everything off the floor that we can. Put things away. We only have 2 safe rooms here. This pool bathroom, which has stuff in it. Photo albums, things like that. Everything in the garage is taken off the floor. This is outside. No pool furniture here today. It's all in the pool. We sunk everything. Tables, chairs. Put all the plants away. Sun is shining, it's hot, it's 85 degrees. Wind is picking up a little bit right now. The storm is up to 105 miles an hour. It's hitting Key West right now, and they're saying that the back end of the storm is going to be worse because it's going to cause the surge of water, flooding. So we might have beachfront property after all here by the time this is over. Everything's loaded in the pool room here. Oh, here's some tape that's already blowing off. Hold on. The kitchen sliding door.
When are we gonna leave?
I don't know, Chrisley. The sun is still out.
Yeah, the sun is still out. The house is going away.
Not yet. I want to stay here as long as possible. It'll be hard to be at the hotel with the dog. We have reservations at the hotel for tonight and tomorrow night. Everything's off the floor here. Let's go see the living room. Oh, here's another bathroom that's a safe room with some things in it. There's the living room. There's a cabinet laying on the couches here. Everything's gone. Looks like moving day. There's doors taped inside, thanks to George putting masking tape there. We got sandbags in front of the front door here in case the babe decides to come in and visit. Here's a game room table. Hi, George. Buck is still okay. He's not sensing anything. Okay. Let's go to my room here. Oh, you want to put this Alex head maybe under the table here? Okay. This is my room. Got all the shoes out. Got all the drawers out, from the bottom at least. Everything's unplugged. I moved everything from the garage freezer into the refrigerator in the kitchen, and we're thinking of turning off all the power here when we leave, so in case it floods, we'll be able to walk in the house and not be electrocuted. Put ant traps here at the doors, some windows, because they're going to try and find high ground. Okay. Let's go across the hall here. This room we didn't do too much to. Tried to get my clothes up off the closet floor. Lamps up here. My life is in my car, packed, all my important papers, passports, birth certificates. Photo albums have been put away. Have all my Goya stuff with me.
Let me take the upstairs.
Okay.
The wind outside.
put some stuff in the fireplace here to protect it a little bit. Okay, George is going to take it from here and go upstairs. 14 miles an hour.
Here's our pictures. Nintendo room. I put carpet there so the water won't go in. Papers. Windows room. All the stuff's in the closet, the important stuff like the electronics. Everything's unplugged. Computer. Bed. Windows. This big shadowy thing that you see behind the drapes is plywood. Supported by that, all this stuff. And that one too. Everything's gone from my room. Computer's wrapped in plastic bags. I nailed this sheet to the desk. Everything important. In here. It's covered by a big blanket and plastic bins. There's some stuff in the bathroom. Everything's closed up. Put that there. I got some of my good basic cards and pictures and stuff in here. You know, Publix bin, center of the house. Strong closet. This is a room. Bathroom. Catch is away from the window if it breaks. Open on the floor. That's about it.